Hello? Is there anybody home? Hey. Sorry, I have your dad's toolbox. I just wanted to return it. Yeah, my garage freezer broke down. I think it was something with the coolant. I wasn't able to fix it. I'm gonna have to call a repairman. Where's your dad? Oh, he and the rest of your family are gone? What are you doing? Listening to music. What are you listening to? No clue who that is. Man, the music scene really just kind of flew by on me, didn't it? Okay. Thank you. I'll get going. Oh, you need help? Your fan's broken. Yeah, I can take a look at it. Yeah, it's been absolutely a scorcher lately. It's been so hot. Yeah, I could tell it was hot. Came in, you're wearing underwear and a t-shirt. I was like, man, really is hot outside. You're not wearing that just because it's hot? Why are you? You knew I was coming over? I would not say things like that. Listen, I don't want to get in any trouble. Let me just take a look at your fan. Did you try to fix this using floss? Because I see it gotten the rotator over here. It's all jammed up. Got any scissors? Oh. I've never really seen you with your hair down. Wow. Here, let me fix this and I'll get on my way. Okay, there you go. So, do you have any guys in your life? Oh, really? Okay. Sure, your dad would be a real hard ass. Well, what are you looking for? Maturity? You're not really gonna find a lot of that in the dating scene nowadays, you know? Everything's phones and apps. I would never be able to deal with that. Very happy I got married early. Didn't have to deal with that whole dating scene. It looks like you're all set. So, I think I'm gonna get going. Hey, you're getting awful close.